Morning, children. Welcome to the English class. Yes, it's a very important topic, that is the creative writing, the story writing beta. Okay? Story writing. And here you have to be creative. Creative in the sense it's very easy to be creative. Here uh, the clues are given. Okay, the body line is given and the dash is given, this little blank is given wherein we have to fill up few English words so that we are able to complete the story. Okay, let me tell you some rules and regulation. Okay, there are main five key elements here in the story writing beta. Okay, now see, first of all, characters. Which all characters are involved? Setting means where it has been taken place. Okay, the place. Then whether there is an issue, any problem. Okay, any conflicts means ladai jhagada, any argument or any fighting is there, and the climax means end mein kya hua, exactly what happened, and the problems get solved, whether the problem was there in the story and whether problem solve hua ki nahi. ठीक है, and then you can give the names to the characters, you can give the name to the place, and you have to use lot of adjectives to make it more interesting. Now see here they have given one example. I want that the worksheet story आप अपने मन से लिखो. I'm going to read it for you once. जैसे orally बोल दूंगी मैं, आप ध्यान से सुनना because you have to write on your own. Here is one example. See, they have given that the tortoise walking on the road, dash is, here देखो dash दिया हुआ है. देखो, अरे 1 minute बेटा. Okay. The dash, can you see the dash dot line is given, is seen by the hare. Hare मतलब कौन है? Hare means rabbit. Dash hare laughs at the tortoise for his slow speed. Then dash bet for race. Then tortoise moving with a low speed. Then dash dash dash. मतलब आपको fill up करना है वहाँ पे. See, this 3 line is being changed into such a big long one paragraph story. Can you see that? Okay. Like once a tortoise was walking on the road with his natural speed. देखो यहाँ पे ऊपर में दिया है, speed से जा रहा था. A hare saw him. Okay, a hare saw him. At first he laughed at the low speed of the tortoise. Then he commented, "What a slow speed!" The tortoise became sad and angry, but he did not lose her patience. वो हार नहीं माना. He said to the hare, "Do you want to have a race with me?" The hare began laughed at this and said, "अरे तुम मुझसे रेस करना चाहते हो? What do you say? A race with you? आप तो इतना स्लो चलते हो. Quite surprising." The tortoise smiled only and said nothing. Tortoise ने कुछ नहीं बोला. The day and the time was fixed. The old monkey was made the judge. On the day when the race was going to be held, both the hare and the tortoise gathered at the fixed time and the place. वो एक जगह पे इकट्ठे हुए. Race start हुई tortoise and कछुए की और खरगोश की. The hare ran very fast and the tortoise moved with its natural speed, जो धीरे धीरे भगवान ने दिया है. It was moving slowly. After moving to a place, the hare stopped and looked back. and देखा, अरे tortoise तो दिख ही नहीं रहा है. There is no trace of the tortoise. Let me rest for a while, thought the hare. आपको, I think you know the story. है ना. देखो स्टोरी नो पता रहना एंड लिखना इज अ टू डिफरेंट थिंग. द हेयर सेट डाउन अंडर द ट्री टू टेक द रेस्ट. देन ही स्लेप्ट, वो सो गया. द tortoise moved on and on, saw the hare sleeping and moved on to the winning point. When the hare got up, he saw the tortoise approaching the winning point. He ran fast, but at last he could not reach the winning point before the tortoise. The tortoise reached the winning point before the hare and won the race. ये वाला story भी आपको पढ़ना है. You will be reading this, the upper 3 line and the story भी आप read करेंगे. Is that clear? Okay, बेटा. Now, see, here is a story of a two, very interesting. It's a story of a two mice. हाँ और इसको आपको complete करना है. Okay, 2 mice lived in a hole in one corner of a house. यहाँ रहते थे. But someone set a trap, cheese as a bait, as a yes, cheese was kept, and the mice peeped out of the hole, saw the tasty cheese, realized that it was a trap, thought of a clever plan, used a broom, pushed the handle into the trap, dragged the piece of meat, plan worked perfectly, collected the cheese, happily ran towards their hole. ठीक है. Now, listen, children. I am going to read out the story for you, and I want you to complete on your own. I am not going to complete. I am not going to write this time. ठीक है. Please listen carefully. Two mice lived in a hole in one corner of a house. Then dash is given. ठीक है. Here you can write that one day someone set a trap to catch these mice. Then again there is a dash. Okay. They put the cheese as a bait. Bait means उसे खाने के लिए. BAIT. Okay. Uh, the mice peeped out of the hole and saw the tasty cheese, but soon realized that it was a trap. Okay, beta? Then they thought of a clever plan. They used a broom and pushed the handle into the trap. And by doing so, they dragged the pieces of cheese towards them. Their plan worked perfectly. They called they ate the cheese and ran towards their they caught hold of the cheese. They took the cheese from there and ran towards their hole. This is how they removed the cheese from the trap. They use the sense of humor. Okay, children, if you want, you can write the name of the story also. But yes, I'm going to help you out with the last question. This is one sequence is given. Jumbled, the story is jumbled. How the words are jumbled, and you were told to make a correct sentence in the same way. So this I'll do for you. चलो, कभी भी स्टोरी एक दिन की बात होती है. वंस अपॉन अ टाइम. ठीक है. सो हियर इट बिगन्स लाइक दिस दैट द शंकर वॉज अ पुअर वुड कटर. आई टेक द पेन. वेट. शंकर वॉज अ पुअर वुड कटर. देखो, शंकर एक पुअर कटर था. देन वन डे ही वेंट टू द फॉरेस्ट टू कट द वुड. While he was cutting the tree, देखो ये वाला, while he was cutting the tree, a bear came that way. Okay. Yes. Suddenly an idea came to him कि अरे टेडी बेयर आ रहा है, अब मैं क्या करूँ. Then idea struck. Okay, what he did, he lay down on the ground and pretended to be dead. वो सो गया, लेट गया बताने के लिए जैसे मैं मर गया हूँ. ठीक है. Then after that the bear came near him. When the bear came near him, he held his breath. वो अपनी सांस को उसने रोक लिया. Okay, he was not breathing. Okay, the bear, now near D1, the bear examined him closely and found that he was dead and left him. Bear को लगा कि सांस नहीं चल रही है, that person must be dead. Okay, then after some time he got up and went home. Didn't he use the sense of humor? है ना, अपना cleverness use किया है ना बेटा. So please, whenever you have a problem in your life, don't run away, don't cry, sit and cry, मुझे नहीं आता है, मैं क्या करूँ. Please use your brain, sense of humor, थोड़ा सोचो, be calm. Yes, every problem has a solution. Try to solve the problem. Okay, that's all beta. Please, it's an important part. See, parents, please see to it that the child completes the creative writing. Okay, thank you.